What's up, YouTube? Sean Forney here, doing a video. My daughter Scotland in the background. Say hey, hey. But anyway, I figured I would do a quick video on how simple it is to use the BootMod BM3 from Pro Tuning Freaks. This is my second 2018 competition package car, second license that I've purchased from Pro Tuning Freaks, and it's super simple. So just a quick little video. So when you are selecting the map, you can go see, I have my stock tune here. I have my stage 2 93 octane, but it's super simple. You have stage 0 plus, stage 1. Let's say you're a stage 1 car, you have 93 octane. And in addition to that, it tells you stage 1, 93 octane, stock hardware, no modifications. So that is the basic. That's what you're going to do. Now my car, I have this tune. I have high fluid down pipes, and I have 93 octane. Guys, it doesn't get much simpler than this. So thank you guys over at Pro Tuning Freaks for doing a phenomenal job with making a very simple process. And for those of you that are going to tell me I need to clean my phone screen, I know my 5-year-old had my phone before this video. So again, thanks guys. Stay tuned. So as you can see, I've already started the process. It's at a whopping 1%. So again, this process is super simple. I would compare it to an access port. I always liked the access port for my Cobb products, my 335i's that I had, just because they were simple, right? So you start the process by going to either Pro Tuning Freaks website or one of the various vendors that sell the activation codes. You buy the license, okay? You then get an email from Pro Tuning Freaks that say, here, use this activation code. You download their app, blah, blah, blah. It's pretty simple. And you can do it through an Ethernet connection, or you can do it through the wireless OBD2 dongle. Mine, you can get various different ones. I've always opted just to go with the one that they sell because I know they make it, it's reliable. So that's what I go with. Now, back in the day, you would also have to rename your phone a different thing, but they've simplified that process now. It's just called BM3 Wi-Fi or something like that. The password is BootMod. So as you can see, what it's doing now, it's clearing, any codes and all that stuff, and it's now reflashing the ECU. This tells you the percentage. It does all of that good stuff. But again, it is super, super simple. So as you can see here, I have 93 octane gas where I'm at. So full flash of stage 2 93 octane gas in process. So before you start this, you go through their off-the-shelf maps and you select the one based on the modifications or lack thereof for your particular car. You select it. And, again, super, super simple process. So, as you guys could see in the little bit before I went down through, selected the map that was appropriate for my car. This car has down pipes and intake drop-in filters, and that is it. So that is the tune that I selected, and then you can go in and customize it. So after this is done, I will do a part 4 of the video that shows you all the customizations for this tune. And it's so, so cool. You can do so many different things. I wanted to add something. Do not be alarmed when you see all of these different lights light up. Your dash lights up like a Christmas tree. It's completely normal. It goes through the process. It throws a, pedestrian warning, front collision warning. It throws all these different things. Guys, it's completely normal, so don't freak out. They also recommend that you do connect it to a battery tender or something. I have never done that. I've never had an issue, but it probably is wise. So now you can see it just got to 100%. It's flashing the ECU. It's going through all these different things, and boom, just like that, it is done. So it took 3 minutes and 22 seconds, 4.1 megabits of 4.1 megabits. Okay, click on it. So now to go to the tunability part, you have all these different options with the BootMod. You can go through and set all these different things. Isn't that awesome? So guys, thank you for watching this short, quick video. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much.